Okay, let's do LeetCode 1876 substrings of size 3 with distinct characters. This is another sliding window problem. Basically, you need to look through this input string and find substrings that are of size 3. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then they're only good if they contain XYZ. Is that right? Yes. They can't have any repeated characters. Okay, then they want you to return the count of those. So let's code this out. So we're going to initialize some variables to store some things, and then we're going to loop through. So we're going to loop through now the string, and we're going to use sliding windows for this. But if you see window end, you could also just substitute this for I. This is going to be the end of the window. Window start is declared up here. So first thing we need to do is we need to always push into this array, this temp array. And what we're going to do there is push in whatever I would be or window end. Then what we're going to do is we're going to let's add some text here, some notes. So we're going to add to the temp window tracker. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to check to see the size here, see if we are in a window. So window end minus window start. So if we are in a window, then what we're going to do is we're going to use set. So if you're not familiar with set, you should check out sets. Basically, it's going to only store unique values. So you'll see how this is going to be used here. Maybe this will make some more sense if you're not familiar with sets, but we'll create a new set and we'll pass in the array. That's how you initialize a set. And this set will take everything in the array and make a set with it. So we can console.log my set. We'll run this at the end here so you can see what's in there. Oh, let's get rid of that. Okay. And then what's going to happen when we create this set is it will either be length of 3 if it's all unique values, but because sets can't create a set that has duplicate values in it, if it had a duplicate value, it wouldn't be the length of 3. So we'll just check to see if the set size is equal to 3. So basically, you know, it's like the array.length, but for sets you use .size. And if it is, what do we call this? Count of good sets If it is, then we're going to add one into count of good sets. Okay. From there, what we need to do, we need to pull out, oh, let's add some notes first. So make a set, make a set and see if it still has 3 values in it still. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to move the window over. So how we're going to do that is we're going to use shift in the array, and we're going to remove the first item that's in the array. And the first item that's in the array is going to be the same as the window start. That's the window start. So S0 of 0 would be the same item as the first item that's in the array, and S of 0 would be the first item in the input string. Then from there, what we'll do is we'll move the window start by incrementing it like that. And then at the end of this, we need to return our, oops, doesn't go there. Return the count of good sets like that. Okay. So let's give this a run. Okay. So here's the sets that we're logging out here. You can see for this one, it was the XYZZAZ. So the set here, first time around, XYZ, this is the input that we're using for this first test here. So the first time through here, we get an actual set XYZ. When this moves over, the window moves over, we have YZZ. You see the set only pulls in the Z once. Then when we move over again, it'll be ZZA, same thing. Set only pulls in one Z. So that's kind of the trick to this one. Let's submit this. Okay, cool. We'll go back to the description. Make sure I didn't have any typos there. We'll just add a couple more notes, and then that'll be it. I'll leave you on the screen so you can look at the problem.